Hey, it's Jim at BetterPhoto, and I just wanted to thank you. I am so grateful for you, so grateful for your participation at BetterPhoto, and for you making this truly the most special community of photography enthusiasts around the world. And I wanted to thank you for your patience while we have some dust flying in the air. We're going through some changes, and you are being amazing while we're finding a new, more stable server. So I just want to let you know that my team and I are working overtime on it, and we are finding a much better way, a more stable server. And things are going to be a little bit different, but we are committed to making it the best possible solution for you. So hang in there. We might have another 2 weeks of changes, but in the meantime, you can go to BetterPhoto Gym, a temporary name for our place, betterphotogym.com, and continue entering the contests if you enjoy entering the contests and uploading photos. And we have the first steps of classic galleries there, and websites are being developed. Like I said, my team and I are working furiously because we really care about you. I know that this is so important. And that's what I just feel so grateful again about, is that you and I have found each other. BetterPhoto has been your home. And we're going to just keep making this be the best photography resource and community ever on the web. Since 1996, we've been doing it. And we're just going to keep growing and keep getting better and better. So again, thank you. Have a wonderful weekend. Go out, take some pictures, upload them to betterphotogym.com. And pretty soon we'll change that back to BetterPhoto once we're ready to make that switch. Thanks again. Really appreciate you. Bye.